How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can auto scroll on your Instagram Reels. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us get started. So first, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you will need to come to this page, that is the voice controls. Now to get here, what you'll need to do is first head over to accessibility from your settings. And after you're on accessibility, scroll down till you find voice control. It's under physical and motor section. After you're on voice control, make sure that you toggle this button on. And after you toggle this button on, all you need to do is head over to your Instagram. So head over to your Instagram, and after you're on your Instagram, simply go to your Reels. Now under your Reels, all you need to say is swipe up, and after you say swipe up, the voice control will recognize it and start swiping you up. So all you need to do is say swipe up, and it'll just work like that. And that is basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.